So an AS-EO now the problem with these locks here is you can bump them, but inside here this cam may not turn because of the way it's made up. Now this is a 5-pan, so I'm going to bump this lock open here. I've got a range of different, I'm not sure if you can see here because the camera's not that great, but you see I have a different type of bump keys. I've ones with shoulders, I've got ones without shoulders, there's 6-pan, 5-pan and so on. So these ones with shoulders, you can use these wee rubber washers here, like that. So really the idea is just to whack it. Now I lost my hammer, so I'm going to use this wee makeshift one here that I have at the minute to see if I can. There you go. Now you see, turn this, nothing's happening, cam's not turning. So what I need to do is remove the key and get something thin that I can poke right up inside to access inside it. So you see there, see the cam starting to move, and that will allow me to open up the door. There you go, thank you.